Hello everyone, in this video we are going to write our first program in Rust, respecting tradition with a good old hello world. First, we need to install it on our machine, and to do this the website just tells us to use the following command. Another alternative for Mac users is installation via Homebrew with the brew install Rust. But I have already installed Rust on my machine, so I'm not going to run these commands again. We can now check whether the installation was successful by checking the version of the installed Rust compiler with a Rust C version. To create a new project named Hello, we will use the cargo new hello command. We can now open our project with VS Code with the code hello, and in the main.rs file you can see the code already generated for our famous hello world. To execute it and display the text hello world on the screen, simply run cargo run, and that's it. When you run cargo new hello, it generates a folder with a src directory for your source code, with a main.rs file for the entry point of the project. You also get a cargo.toml file, which is used for detailing your project's information, its dependencies, and configurations for cargo. That's it. Follow for more content, and with that, I wish you happy coding.